Okay, as you can see, she's making our very first breakfast. It's my daughter Melissa.
It smells amazing.
And our very first breakfast, and you'll never believe it, we're just in Texas here now. She bought actually, we bought a motorhome. I'll do a quick little pan from, I'm just sitting around here. Oh, somebody just came in, and that is our bodyguard, Mr. Mike. Let's see. Extraordinaire.
60 pounds lighter.
So I need your expertise, Mike. Mike, can you check this last bacon here and tell me the status?
Status? I'll eat them right now. I think they're perfect
so they're
for
done.
me. They're perfect for me, yeah.
This is our first breakfast.
So we just started making some bacon here now. And after we'll give you a walk through this thing on second video.
Show you the eggs.
We'll show you the final.
Because you know this is going to the public on YouTube, so we're gonna do something here.
I thought you carried away.
Yeah.
Can I put the...
I have to keep an anonymous face. This is mine. Did I just drink someone else's?
Let's have a look at that.
Drinking mine.
Let's have a look at the eggs, the bacon, how she fried them
Bacon.
up. Okay.
Look
There's
how
the bacon.
oily
Isn't that beautiful?
that is.
That's a major. There's
I
our
can't do everything.
first
I need help.
accident. First accident of the day. Yay! We have a escaped convict.
It's okay.
Okay.
The floors need cleaning.
This is what not to do in a motorhome.
This is our first day. We'll get better.
Okay, emergency solved, prisoner caught and arrested. Did we just shut the stove up? Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so let's...
Since we're sitting here, pardon the mess, we'll give you a quick walkthrough as we're going through while they're recovering the escaped person. Here's the front of the motorhome, as you could tell. Hope I'm not going too fast for y'all. We're parked on the side of a Walmart, and look at the mess on our little office table, which we'll show you in video part 2. Will be all gone and clean. So this is the dirty version in part 1. Clean version coming up. Stove, cabinets, and all the way back to the bedroom and washroom area. Here's our dining area. Just getting set up. Temporary sleeping quarters for a pull-out bed that we're just stored stuff for now.
Oh.
Going to dump it.
Turn the water pump on. Like this?
Water pump?
Like this. On.
Oh, it's not working?
It's on. On. Ah, we got water.
There you go.
We got water. Simple living.
Yeah, this is the easiest way to live, isn't it, Melissa? What do you think about motorhomes in general? Would you live in one if you had to?
Absolutely. I would live in it even if I didn't have to. I would choose to live in a motorhome.
I saw whatever I had.
Awesome. And there's many different kinds of motorhomes that you can get too. You can even go up to $200,000 and get a full bus. You can go anyway.
What size is this one?
37 feet.
37-foot long motorhome.
Pace Arrow, Fleetwood.
Wow, awesome. Mint condition on the outside. We'll give you a run by in part 2 again on the outside version as well. But for now, we just want to start you off with the first version of the newbies of RV world. Now, let me just take a quick look where he's on a bathroom level. My son just walked in there. Nice double fridge, don't you think? This is pretty awesome.
Yeah, it's fully loaded too.
Oh, loaded up, yeah, packed in with stuff. Fridge and freezer. Okay, our cabinet. Here's walking to the bedroom. Oh, you can see the big guy in there. And here's the bathroom, sink. And oh, escaped convict just came out from another doorway. And that's the washroom level.
Thank God there's no odor detector on this video camera. No.
And this is the bedroom. One of the bedrooms that you can see. Just sitting there roughly. Can't see very much really. Anyway, from the bedroom looking out to the front.
Egg time.
Oh, you gotta check this out.
Same one. This is looking great.
We're almost in 5 minutes of this version, so we might have to cut it.
No, it's...
But we're gonna do one more thing for
Okay, we're gonna light
an egg. Here we go.
We're gonna
Your
go
first lit.
low. There, easy, so easy.
Houston, we have contact.
Some oil. We don't use canola oil or vegetable oil because that's bad for you. Try grapeseed oil. Ugh. Now I feel like I'm doing a cooking show.
You are.
Start. That's it. And we're gonna keep this. That's the trick right now, is learning where to put everything so it doesn't roll when we're driving
Ah.
or break. So this is all new. The previous owners had a checklist in here, which is pretty awesome. You gotta get a checklist going. Okay.
What do you do next? What do you?
Well, we're gonna let this heat up, and then there's not enough oil, so I gotta put a little bit more. And then we're gonna make some awesome eggs.
What kind are you gonna make today?
Just scrambled. Nice and easy. I like my eggs runny, but Mike, my brother, doesn't. So I'm pretty easy.
Huh.
I'll make them hard for Mike.
Let's see what Mike's gonna say about the eggs process.
Okay. So let's heat up quick. Got our eggs. How many eggs would you like? 2 each? 3 each? Are we
There's
really
6 in there.
hungry?
There's 6 in
2
there.
or 6? Alright.
Scrambled eggs.
Yeah. Is that okay with you?
Yeah, I'm good. This is a live show, by the way, guys. This is no editing done. So, if you fall asleep, you come back in 5 minutes. You'll see version 2.
1, 2.
1 chickadee, 2
You got
chickadee.
organic free-run eggs, because that's how we do it. Better for you that way.
As you can see, we have a supervisor standing over here watching.
1, 2, 3, 4. How many is that? 4. And it's okay if the eggshells go in, because that's actually good for you. You can eat eggshells.
Is that what they said?
Yeah, actually what we do at home, back in Toronto, we do the vegetable smoothies, and you take eggshells and you put it all in a blender with some water, some fruits, kale, spinach. Awesome.
What are you going to have with the eggs there for breakfast? Well, okay, bacon's already done. Eggs are next. Scrambled eggs. What else are you going to have?
Grits.
Oh,
We have-
another boo-boo. There you go.
We have tomatoes, cheddar cheese. We have Dad's very own concoction of turmeric, cayenne, and what else is in there? Turmeric, cayenne, curry?
Garlic.
Oh, garlic, which is crazy spicy. I won't touch that. And then butter, some peanut butter, some whole healthy nut bread. We got the bacon degreasing, coffee, water. I think we got everything covered. And that's it. I'm gonna make some tea, maybe cut up some ginger, some lemon, hot water, and it's just like home. And it smells
Perfect.
amazing.
In here, it does smell amazing, yeah.
All right. So,
We're in over 8-minute mark and counting, people. This is wonderful. I'm not sure how long we do on
8
video.
minutes.
Yeah.
Probably boring you.
Oh, I might edit some of it.
Prepare
as
for
we
the
go.
horrible comments. Say, I made eggs. Thanks for
Excellent.
wasting 9 minutes of my life.
Hey, we kept watching.
8 minutes 59 seconds.
Who would watch this? I'm kidding.
I wouldn't watch this.
Okay,
You know
people,
what, though?
don't watch. Get out. Don't watch.
If you're new to RVing and you want kind of a
Now,
look
see,
at
this
how
is
it
something you
is,
don't do, is talk and leave the fridge open. Well, I'm just trying to mention a point.
I'm new to RVing.
True. We don't want no problem.
Clearly, I can't multitask. Breaking eggs, paper towels are running, leaving the fridge open.
We had an issue with the fridge earlier today when we started. Here's a tip for you guys. Don't turn off your LPG gas. When the fridge runs, it runs off of batteries when you're stopped or driving. And then when the batteries get a little low, it kicks onto LPG gas automatically. What like we did to save any kind of problems, we turned off the gas for the night, and the fridge check light went on and it shut down for us. So we just had to reset it all, which is really simple. Turn that off. Once you read the top switch here, We just shut it down and it corrected the problem. So we're back in the ballgame. Okay, let's have a quick look at the egg scenario. Oh, look at these babies go. Check these babies out.
Oops.
And a one and a two.
So I don't really scramble them. I kind of fold it in little pieces. But I like
Breakfast
them.
made easy. Do you put any spice in?
No.
I would throw all that spice in there.
No,
right now.
I would.
know.
I can't handle that.
I would.
We add it after. Whatever. Everybody has their own individual taste and
Yeah.
what they like.
Those spices are like death trap spices. If you
I
haven't
can't do
eaten
it.
any, you better stay close to a toilet. You'll need it.
That's true.
I'm just training. I grew up on pierogies and
Pierogies.
cabbage, so I cannot handle spice. I'm getting there. Okay, let's turn this off. So we go.
That looks actually quite nice.
See, it's better this way, right?
I like it.
I like it runny, but Mike likes it more cooked through, so we'll just leave
So we're
it.
going to compliment.
Eggs
Yeah.
not supposed to. You're not supposed to drink eggs. I hate when people
Not
drink
when
it.
it's like drinking, but okay.
But that's just
We
me.
need a plate.
Oh.
I'll take them from here. I'm not asking you that. Awesome. We don't have salt.
I have that stuff. I'm
Spice
fine.
were good, yeah.
I don't
Me
need
too.
salt.
I don't need any.
Okay, guys.
So we got it all done here, right?
Also key.
Do you see what that is? It's a police beater.
Okay, so now we're gonna.
Oh yeah.
Can I, even though this is hot, can I close this or should I wait?
No, just wait. Let it
Because
cool
I need to plug this in. Oops.
Oh.
So I'll put this in like this.
There you go. We figured that one out. We're in business.
Now we get the toast quickly when the eggs get cold.
Eggs are really cold.
Okay,
Toaster
just
oven.
sit down and eat now.
Nope. No hesitation there. So now you just put the toaster oven, which is something she bought last night.